In programming, variable swapping refers to the act of exchanging the values stored in two variables. It allows for the efficient reassignment of values, leading to flexible and dynamic code execution. Variable swapping is a fundamental concept in many programming languages, including C#, and is widely used in various scenarios. Variable swapping is essential in programming as it enables the manipulation and reorganization of data. By swapping the values of two variables, programmers can achieve tasks such as sorting, reordering, and reassigning values efficiently. It allows for flexibility in data manipulation and can streamline code execution in numerous scenarios. The objectives of this lesson on variable swapping in C# are designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of the concept and its applications. By the end of this lesson, learners will have gained the necessary knowledge and skills to effectively swap the values of two variables in their C# programs. The focus will be on understanding the concept, learning different techniques, practicing through hands-on exercises, and applying variable swapping in real-world scenarios. Objective 1: Understand variable swapping. Objective 2: Learn different techniques. Objective 3: Practice through hands-on exercises. Objective 4: Apply variable swapping in real-world scenarios. This beginner-friendly code demonstrates how to swap two user-inputted integers using a temporary variable in C#. It clearly guides the user through input, variable swapping, and output, making the swapping process interactive and easy to understand. Watch the video on how swapping a variable value works in C#. This lesson introduced the essential concept of swapping variables in C#, a crucial technique for data manipulation and programming. We explored the significance of swapping variables in scenarios like sorting algorithms and game logic, and learned how to overcome the limitations of direct assignment by using a temporary variable. The tutorial provided a well-commented code example that allows users to interactively input two integers and see the swapping process in action. By mastering this method, you now have a solid foundation for handling more complex tasks involving data manipulation and variable management in C#. Quiz answers 1-1. Answer: B. Improving program efficiency. 2. Answer: D. To store an intermediate value. 3. Answer: B. By incorporating a loop. 4. Answer: A. Increased code complexity. 5. Answer: A. It simplifies the code. Please visit the link for more information about this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found the content helpful and learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means a lot, and we look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Keep learning and happy coding.